This precious girl is named Stevie Onyx. Stevie Onyx, like Stevie Nicks, like Stevie is a girl. She's estimated to be around 2 years old, and we think she is a Black Lab German Shepherd mix, but she is a rescue, so these are just our best guesses. This sweet girl is currently fostered in a home with 3 other dogs. She gets along well with all of them. She also goes to doggy daycare. This girl is the epitome of dog friendly. She is so sweet and so perfect and so playful with all the other dogs. She's also a total water dog. This girl loves the pool at her foster mom's house, and she doesn't mind puddles or ponds or lakes either. This girl loves treats. She is treat motivated. She sits well for treats, and she is so smart and trainable. She picked up on leash direction really quickly here at the rescue, and she showed us lots of potential to be a very well-trained dog. She is perfect in every single way, and she's looking for her forever home. Stevie is available for adoption. Have Stevie coming in to meet Thomas. They are both excited to meet. They're both big, playful energy dogs. Thomas is really good with females, so we have him with Stevie. Stevie, that's cute. So excited. Okay, so we have leashes dropped and we are off to the races. Oh my goodness, that is too cute. Oh! We have big, playful Lacey here to meet Miss Stevie. That's sweet.
Good girls. Look at you. No, sit. Good. Good girl.
So we're practicing our leash manners. Oh, she's a natural. Adorable. Oh my goodness, that little prance in her back legs. That's so cute. Good girl.
Spit it out. Sit. Are you?
Perfect.
Good girl.
She says, I am contending for best behaved rescue dog. You're so cute, yes. Stevie. Oh. Stevie does not mind being picked up or handled. Oh my goodness, I love when they kick their feet in the air. You're cute. You're so cute, Stevie. How'd you get so cute? How you doing in there? Kennel cam. How are we doing? We're doing good. Yeah, sharing food well. Good job, guys. Okay, so we are sharing food really well between these guys. Perfect. Here we go.
Lacey just doesn't care. This is better. Lacey just eats like, yeah. She's just an intimidating eater because she just eats.
So Stevie is meeting Kobe, who's just 4 years old.
Soft, or is she rough?
So we just got in the house and this girl went straight for the dog bed. She says, that looks like the place for me.
You're all wet.
She's so sweet. All the kisses. The kisses. Oh my goodness.